DoorDash just announced something that has a lot of drivers wondering. Are they trying to replace us with drones? As someone who's been delivering for over 5 years, I wanted to break down the news, explain what actually changed, and share what I think it means for drivers like us. So, what happened? Well, on July 29th, 2026, DoorDash officially launched DoorDash Air. Here's their article. DoorDash is cleared for takeoff. DoorDash launches DoorDash Air, their in-house drone delivery program. They have started doing drone deliveries already, but they're just trying to expand it to more areas. And their goal is to improve efficiency for certain deliveries. Okay, so why is DoorDash doing this? In the article, it says here, drone delivery means consumers can have what they need when they need it most. Whether that's essentials like cold medicine or time-sensitive items like a coffee or hot meal to a nurse finishing a 12-hour shift. Also in the article, it says DoorDash found something interesting. Here in the article, it says, more than 20% of orders on the DoorDash platform in 2025 traveled 3 to 5 miles, but those orders took on average nearly 25% longer than shorter deliveries, largely because finding the right dasher takes longer for mid-range trips. When the mileage is 3 to 5 miles, those $3 to $5 deliveries look much less appealing. So I think that plays into it here. So their solution is to use drones for some of those deliveries. Now this is where I started asking myself some questions. Specifically, which deliveries will be done by drones and which will not? For example, deliveries to apartments or deliveries with groceries? What about hotels or if there's bad weather? A lot of questions. Let's see what DoorDash says about this. Okay, so DoorDash actually says in their article, Dashers remain essential to the network, handling the vast majority of our millions of daily deliveries, including orders autonomy can't handle, like navigating up apartment buildings and fulfilling large orders. So it sounds like the drones are going to be getting the new driver treatment permanently and getting all the best orders, all those 3 to 5 miles, all those easy orders. And then the other dashers are going to be left with the apartment building orders and the larger orders. Okay, interesting. Now, DoorDash does say dashers remain essential because the drones can't handle those orders. So I wouldn't worry too much. So the $1 million question, what's my opinion on this? I think drivers should definitely pay close attention to this situation because technology is constantly improving at a very fast rate, and companies do want to be as efficient as possible, also while being as profitable as possible. If DoorDash was able to get a delivery force of drones, once that was all set up, they wouldn't have to pay these drones to deliver the orders. They would just have to maintain them. So if the maintenance was less than the driver pay, they'd be able to become more profitable that way. But there are a lot of hurdles for them to jump through in order to make that happen 100%. At this point, the drones will probably only be doing about 10% of orders, if that, 20% max, based off this article here. And drones aren't going anywhere. They're here to stay. It is good technology when used properly. I'm honestly not very worried because of those deliveries that are too complicated for drones, like the apartment, hotel, businesses, groceries, multiple drinks. I mean, even if it's just cloudy or raining, that could cause the drone to have issues with the internet signal or with staying dry. You don't want that motherboard to get wet or that drone will be falling out of the sky. Personally, I don't think DoorDash is trying to replace every driver overnight. I think they're trying to make certain deliveries more efficient while drivers continue handling the vast majority of deliveries. Technology is changing. Let me know how you feel in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. And also, please consider subscribing to support the channel. That does it for me. So, I'll see you on the next video. Mr. Hustle, out.